Are you ready to take your physique to the next level? In today's video, we're diving headfirst into the secrets of an effective diet plan that will help you unlock your aesthetic potential. Get ready for a no-nonsense approach to achieving that impressive, head-turning physique you've always desired. No fluff, no shortcuts, just the raw knowledge you need to transform your body. Let's get started. Picture this, a chiseled physique that turns heads wherever you go. To achieve that aesthetic look, you need to understand the two vital components, nutrition and training. Today, we're focusing on the first piece of the puzzle, the ultimate diet guide that will pave the way to your aesthetic dreams. Nutrients for aesthetics. There are 3 macronutrients that are essential for aesthetics: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Protein. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. It's essential for muscle growth, repair, and recovery. If you're not getting enough protein, you'll be at a disadvantage when it comes to building muscle and getting in shape. The recommended daily intake of protein for adults is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. However, if you're looking to build muscle, you'll need to increase your protein intake to 1.2–1.7 grams per kilogram of body weight. Good sources of protein include meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They're also important for fueling workouts and providing the body with glucose, which is the brain's main source of fuel. The recommended daily intake of carbohydrates for adults is 45–65% of total calories. However, if you're active, you may need to increase your carbohydrate intake. Good sources of carbohydrates include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, starchy vegetables, sweet potatoes, yams, oatmeal, brown rice. Fat. Fat is an essential nutrient that provides the body with energy, helps to absorb vitamins, and protects organs. The recommended daily intake of fat for adults is 20–35% of total calories. However, if you're trying to lose weight, you may want to reduce your fat intake to 15–20% of total calories. Good sources of fat include unsaturated fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fish oil. Saturated fats, grass-fed butter, coconut oil, ghee. Trans fats, avoid these at all costs. Meal planning and meal prepping. Meal planning and meal prepping are 2 great ways to ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need to build muscle and get in shape. Meal planning involves planning out your meals for the week in advance. This will help you to make sure that you're eating a balanced diet and that you're not overeating or undereating. Meal prepping involves preparing your meals in advance. This will save you time and effort during the week, and it will also help you to stick to your diet plan. Nutrient timing. Nutrient timing is the practice of eating certain nutrients at specific times of the day. This can be beneficial for muscle growth, recovery, and performance. For example, it's important to consume protein after a workout to help your muscles recover. You may also want to consume carbohydrates before a workout to provide your body with energy. Supplements. Supplements can be a helpful addition to your diet, but they're not necessary. If you're eating a healthy diet and getting enough exercise, you should be able to get all the nutrients you need from food. However, if you're struggling to reach your fitness goals, supplements may be able to help. Some popular supplements for aesthetics include protein powder, creatine, BCAAs, pre-workout supplements, post-workout supplements. Tracking your progress. It's important to track your progress so that you can see how your diet and training are affecting your body. There are a number of ways to track your progress, including body measurements, progress photos, weight tracking. By tracking your progress, you can make adjustments to your diet and training plan as needed. This will help you to reach your fitness goals more quickly and efficiently. This is just a brief overview of the ultimate diet guide for aesthetics. If you're serious about building muscle and getting in shape, I encourage you to do some more research on the topic. There are a number of great resources available online and in libraries. With a little effort, you can achieve the aesthetic physique you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching.